Yo, what's up everyone, your boy's back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile URL. So let's suppose you want to customize your Facebook profile URL. Let's suppose you want to customize your Facebook profile URL. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So to begin with, first thing that you need to do is go to your profile on the right top corner, click on the profile picture, and after that go to setting and privacy. After clicking on setting and privacy, after that go to settings. Once you are in settings, now what you need to do is you need to wait for it to load up. Depending on your internet connection, it takes a bit of time. Okay, once you are here, you would see journal profile setting. So here you would see username. Now what you need to do is, as you can see here, it is facebook.com/your username. It'll show up here. What you need to do is click on edit, and once you click on edit, it'll show you the username is available or not. You can just click, erase it, and just type in something that you want to keep as your username. So let's suppose in my case I would keep it something like this, and we'll have to wait to see if it's available or not. It says it's available, so I think I should add another I and wait for it, and it's not available, but this one is available. So what I would do is I would just click on save changes. Now what will happen is it'll ask me for my password, and once I enter my password I will be able to change my username for my Facebook. So this is how you can change your username for your Facebook. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please drop a like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more videos just like this one, and see you in the next one. Peace.